my wheel doesn't want to turn. Hello, namaste, assalamu alaikum. I'm Nihal Amir and welcome back to Savage Bike Warriors YouTube channel. तो आज 1 December है. It's cold, winter has started and गंदी लग रही है, लेकिन आज प्रैक्टिस जाना है एंड आई हैव टू चेंज हेजल्स ब्रेक सेटअप टुडे. मैंने सब कुछ वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी रख लिया है. यू कैन सी दिस. I've arranged all the parts and everything and I have to go now. I was just waiting for a couple of things. What we can do is I will just change while walking. Okay, so I'm all set and we are about to leave. Kashi is here. He is playing with Leo. दिख रहा है क्या? Yeah. Anyways, so everything ready and I just have to pick up my helmet. I'm taking my car today. मतलब घर की कार है तो आई एम टेकिंग दैट टुडे बिकॉज संडे एंड गाड़ी का परसों रिसेंट डैमेज हुआ था एंड मेरे को आज पेंट के लिए ड्रॉप करना है. वैसे आते आते पेंट के लिए ड्रॉप कर दूंगा एंड आई विल कम बैक. हैंड्स आर फुल सोर हिज एंड माय हैंड्स आर पेनिंग. ए अमल, सी हियर. जस्ट सी, दैट्स ऑल. डोंट डू एनीथिंग. से हाय अमल. How many months?
9 months.
He had a baby, that is why he couldn't come to practice for the past 9 months. He had run away from Bangalore. Why did you come back now, Amal? If you were scared of Bangalore, why did you come back today? Why? Traitor. He doesn't believe in Bangalore. Anyway, so we've reached here and the work has started. I'll start changing the brake setup and we'll have a pretty busy day. And that is Alan. Alan, say hi. He is a friend of Amal's and he is a photographer too. So Kashi, clean it properly. I'll not pay you today or else. Okay, so we're all set. I've got all the parts here. Kashi and Amal have gone out for filling the fuel and air. So they'll be back in about 5-10 minutes. I'm waiting. Not bad.
Tram ready ride ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. ಆಮಾ இப்போ ஒரு பஞ்ச் சரி அனுப்புறேன்.
Before attempting, it is better if I loosen it. If it slips later,
Okay.
no, why risk? Please don't slip. Hold the tire, Kashi. Please don't slip. Please don't slip. One. Okay, two. 3. Okay, every bolt that is opening, I'm feeling happy. 4, 5. Hope this doesn't screw me over. Whew. And 6. Yo, done. We're changing the disc rotor also. We're going for upgrade. We're going for a pedal rotor from NS200. Always remember to use thread locker on important components, usually the brake bolts that hold the rotor. What happens is during the high intensity of braking, the threadings, the metal expands, and when it expands, it loosens up a little bit. And due to excessive braking, it always loosens, and the rotor starts shaking. Not a bit. It's just like about 30 rupees each of a bottle, and you can use it 2 times at least. And one more important thing, every time you are installing a new rotor, make sure when you're installing it, you're putting the bolts which are opposite to each other. Once you put a bolt here, make sure you put here. तो अगर यहाँ पे डालोगे तो यहाँ पे डालो, and यहाँ पे डालोगे तो यहाँ पे डालो. So that way what happens is once you tighten the bolt, there will be no mismatch or no, there will be zero error. There will be like alignment थोड़ा भी इधर उधर नहीं होएगा. तो ऐसे ऐसे एक साथ डालते जाओगे तो alignment थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हो जाता है. And even a mm matters in braking. Okay, so the rotor has already been changed, and this is one hell of a thing. So अभी thread locker को dry होने रखा हूँ थोड़ा time. Once it's dried out, we'll install the wheel and we'll install the new handbrake mount, which is in this, the handbrake bracket. And I have to put in another third caliper also. 2 calipers थे, एक foot brake के लिए, एक handbrake के लिए. So now it's going to be 1 for the foot brake and 2 for the handbrake. So it's going to be a little bit, no, it's going to take a little bit longer than what we expected. And by the time the thread locker dries out, I thought I'll clean my brake pads, and look at this. ये जितना भी brown है, ये सब मेरा brake pads घिसने के बाद, this is the dirt that has come out of my brake pads. The brake cable for the third caliper, and the most prettiest thing of them all, this bracket comes with a different bush, and you remove the stock one and replace it with this one.
ಭಯ್ಯ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
Oh my god, you're jacking me, bro.
ಜಾಕಿಂಗು
Jacking. Stop jacking with me.
Don't act like a Nagraj.
And these two are almost done. Oof, I just need to bleed them now. मतलब pump it 10 times and lock it. Then when I tighten it here again, leave it, again repeat. This reverse bleeding is also a headache sometimes. It's a big headache actually. Not sometimes, it's usually a big headache. Almost there. It took a whole freaking day to do this. Wait, without putting a cap, if you hit the brake, see if the brake fluid is jumping. Yes, so there is still air inside. I don't have strength left in my arms only. My arms, literally there's no strength. The tools are falling again and again. Okay, so the whole day we have worked. I have worked, and at the end of the day, Kashi, what happened at the end of the day?
End of the day there is
Here, my wheel doesn't want to turn. Right. I don't know what I've screwed up, and I don't know what has happened. So this work is still pending as of now. I can't help it anymore. Anyways, so by the next week, I think when I come down to practice, I think I'll sort it out by that time. रहने दो. Anyways, till then, take care. Ride safe. Bye bye, folks. Allah Hafiz.